The humidity is horrendous. It's bloody muggy as. Sweating my ass off. Anyway, you get that. I'm just zapping the second coat, and then I can then zap home for a shower because my day will be done. But yeah, if you're wanting to see something, people, just drop me a line, and I'll do my best to bring it up and show you. Like I'm a tiler, not a mind reader or a magician. So tomorrow I lay the floor. Tomorrow's Friday, and then Monday I come back and I blitz the walls. So it's going nicely. I didn't strip out or do the sheeting in this bathroom this time. The owner had it done, which is cool. Which I'll probably, I've asked the owner for the bloke that stripped out and ground the floor and that sort of thing. He did a good job. I will get him in to do an upstairs bathroom for me when I get upstairs bathrooms. I choose a lot of my work. I don't go out and tile anything or everything that's out there. I used to, but no, I choose my jobs, people, and people choose me. But sometimes a job will come in and I'll go, oh, stuff that. No. So I don't. I'm lucky. It's taken 35 years, but I can choose what I do. And if I'm too dear for people, it's not that I'm too expensive, it's just that they can't afford me. So I tell them to go and get another tiler that they can afford. And it's all good. So, you know, when people ask me, oh Jesus, how come you used bagged screed? So, it's expensive. Well, if it costs $150 extra to do your bathroom with bagged mud, if you whinge about $200 extra, well then you haven't priced it right. There's an old saying that I say to myself that the right job comes along and the right people, and they willingly pay whatever I charge. So that's a bit of a one to remember, people out there. Put it out there of what you want. If you want to do big nice bathrooms, put it out there. Visualize it. And you're laughing. I'll carry on with this second coat and we'll see you when I'm doing the floor tomorrow. Stay tuned. Subscribe. Press that subscribe. Whooshka. Give us a thumbs up. Push that button as well. Wah. See ya. Bye.